Hi all, welcome to Tech Forum. In this video, let us see how to use Gradient Accelerator Block to build RAG applications quickly. What is RAG? Retrieval Augmented Generation. Retrieval Augmented Generation RAG is a popular optimization method for enterprise businesses who are looking to improve the quality of responses generated by their LLM, large language model. The foundational models are only trained with public data. They will never understand your business out of the box. RAG addresses this by dynamically incorporating your data during the inference processes, by allowing the model to access and utilize the data in real time, providing more tailored and contextually relevant responses. RAG is a great method to improve AI performance, but it also makes things more complex for developers who are building AI applications. The regular RAG implementation requires a technical team with in-depth knowledge in AI, proper infrastructure and budget, extensive research and planning, allocated time to develop the solution. What is Gradient Accelerator Blocks? Gradient Accelerator Blocks is a library of building blocks for AI use cases. This helps to reduce developer workload and help businesses to achieve their goals in a minimal time. If you see this diagram, various accelerator blocks are available such as RAG, personalization, Q&A, sentiment analysis, document summarization and entity extraction. If you see the right side use cases, you can combine these accelerator blocks to build your AI use cases. If you see investment co-pilot, it uses SA means sentiment analysis, entity extraction, then DS means document summarization along with RAG. So in this case, customer chatbot, it uses personalization, SA means sentiment analysis, Q&A and RAG. So like this, you can combine this accelerator blocks to build your use cases. Gradient has released a new tool called the accelerator block for RAG. It's designed to make AI models work better and more accurately by using Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG. This tool combines Gradient's advanced language models and special data formats along with MongoDB Atlas vector search for managing complex data and Llama index for data integration. If you see this diagram, the RAG accelerator block is used. It contains embedding model to convert the input data into vector, Llama index for data integration, then MongoDB as a vector storage. The documents are chunked and converted to vector embeddings through embeddings model and stored to vector DB. This Llama index used as a data connector. While user query, the query along with the context data in the vector DB is used to generate the response through large language model. The accelerator block for RAG improve development velocity by removing the need for infrastructure, setup or in-depth knowledge around retrieval architectures. It also incorporates best practices in document chunking, re-rankers and advanced retrieval strategies. You can sign up for the gradient.ai here. Click on sign up. So you can enter your basic details and you can create an account. As a first step, create a new workspace. You can click on this button to create a new workspace. Even you can use the CLI commands to create new workspace and manage that. Refer to this link to understand the different pricing models. The standard option supplies $5 credit for every new account. Review here the different features available through standard option. You can add the billing details here to use the services if you cross the free credit. Also, you can add additional team members if required. Here you can add the payment card details. Also, you can monitor the token usage. Also, invoices. If you see here, now subtotal 0, remaining credit 5, total due 0.0. Here you can create access tokens to integrate from APIs. Now go to workspace. Here you can review the different accelerator blocks such as question and answer, document summary, sentiment analysis, You can provide some input and test also. Model testing, here you can test various models available. You can find all the available models here and specify other configurations like RAG completion on and off, also some advanced parameters here. So then you can pass the query and get the response. Fine tuning, you can create a fine tuned model from existing base models. For that, create fine tuning, then you can select the base model. Let me go with this. Enter your name, some advanced settings if required. Create fine tuned model. Now click on next. You can enter some name, job config name. Select the training data set. Then you can run the fine tuning job. That will generate the fine tuned model for your use case. Let me now create a RAG collections. So you can create new collection here. So I already created some sample collection, my RAG collection. So let me go there. You can choose files from here, any PDF, CSV, TXT, any files you can upload here. I have already uploaded a sample document, Adobe Experience Manager document. That status is ready. Let me now go back to the accelerator blocks. Click on question and answers. Now you can select the RAG collection, whatever you created, selected. Now you go and add the question, submit. The response is now generated. If you see what is AEM, it's explaining. Also it's giving all the context from where the response is created, all within this same document, whatever I uploaded. You can use CLI and this SDKs to manage most of the operations, creating the model, training the model and running the accelerator blocks. So you can refer here the SDK quick start and CLI quick start to perform most of the operations. You can use Gradient AI API endpoints to run the accelerator blocks and other operations. If you see here, sentiment analysis, all these blocks you can execute, also embeddings and models related operations. Let me quickly run document question and answer block. Enter the question here, what is AEM, then source, you can go with option 1. Here you need to provide the collection ID. You can go back to your workspace, you can copy the collection ID from here. Now go back here, bearer token, copy the token from here again. From copy here, then copy the workspace ID from here, enter. Now click on try it. This provides the response to the query. You can also try the API in different languages like Java, Node, Python. Also more languages are available. So you can test in any of the languages. Gradient Accelerator Blocks are essential tools made for AI projects. They offer ready to use AI solutions that fit smoothly into your business operations, making AI development easier and less time consuming. They are quick to develop with, ensure high quality and have a flexible modular structure. These blocks work seamlessly with top industry tools such as MongoDB, open source models and Llama index, helping you create effective AI for your business fast. That's all for today. Thanks all for watching the video. See you all in the next video.